So my first question is going to be for Ms. Potts. How young is too young to have a will?
Well, that's really, it depends. Usually when you become an adult at the age of 18, that's a time to be thinking about it. You may have items that you, or even a bank account. And if someone has that bank account and passes away, there's going to probably have to be some type of court action to be able to get that money out. And so if you have decided who that money should go to, you would put that in a will, or you can also do what's called a transfer on death through the bank. But it doesn't really matter how young you are, even if you were underage, if you were making a lot of money, if you were a Taylor Swift or something, chances are that you would have someone who has helped you to draw up some type of documentation or a will, because of the fact that you do have money and it needs to be, given to the next person that you would want it to go to.